Looking for ways on how you can become an active member of the CSUN community? Unified We Serve is a volunteer program designed for CSUN students who want to make a positive impact. As a member, students will participate in a variety of community service events, such as an AIDS Walk, Autism Speaks fundraiser, Relay for Life, and a Zumbathon for breast cancer. Returning members say students can expect to make a major impact.
We have very profound events from simulations to participating in the AIDS Walk every year. We host the clothing and food drive. We have the Zumbathon. We are involved so much within the community, and we build a community with our members.
We get to help a lot of people who need the assistance. We work with a lot of nonprofit organizations. One of my favorite events is Zumbathon, in which we get to dance a lot, and we raise money for breast cancer research.
Activities coordinator Justin Wee says he hopes students will gain an understanding of the importance of helping one another. Students who sign up with Unified We Serve will not only be helping their community be a better place, but will also earn them a President's Volunteer Service Award and honorary pen. For more information on how to be a part of the Hartfield program, visit the CSUN website. In Northridge, I'm Amelie Favela with Valley View News.